Mr. Gurpreet Singh has asked me that Urdu letter Vaw is somewhere pronounced as Va and somewhere pronounced as O. He also wants to know what will be the shape of Urdu letters Swad, Swad and Ghain when these letters come between a word. So our today's lesson is based on his questions. Urdu letter Vaw is pronounced as O when it is connecting two words. It's working as a conjunction. For example, Zameen, Asman. In between is letter Vaw. It is connecting these two words. Here it means and where Vaw means and, it is pronounced as O. So it will be pronounced as Zameen o Asman. Zameen o Asman means earth and the earth and the sky. Zameen o Asman. Here O means and. Zameen o Asman, the earth and the sky. Another word, Kaghaz o Qalam. Kaghaz o Qalam. Kaghaz o Qalam. Here Vaw is being pronounced as O. It means and. The pen and the paper. Kaghaz o Qalam. The paper and the pen. Kaghaz o Qalam. Here Vaw means and. So it is being pronounced as O. Kaghaz o Qalam. Kaghaz o Qalam. Pen and paper. Another word, Uruj o Zawal. Uruj o Zawal. Uruj o Zawal. Here Vaw is not being pronounced as O. Here also Vaw is not being pronounced as O. This Vaw is being pronounced as O. Here O means and. Uruj o Zawal. It means rise and fall. Rise and fall. Uruj o Zawal. Rise and fall. Here O means and. Rise, Uruj, O and Zawal, fall. Rise and fall. Uruj o Zawal. And Mr. Gurpreet Singh also wants to know what will be the shape of An and Ghain when these letters come between a word. So here it's a word Ma'loom. 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 This is An. This is An. Ma'loom. Ma'loom. An. Here, when An comes between a word, its shape is like this. Earlier letter is joined here, and the later letter is joined here. For example, in Ma'loom, Mim is joined here, and Lam is joined here. This and Mim is joined here, and Lam is joined here. Ma'loom. Maghmoom. Maghmoom. This is Ghain. This is Ghain. Maghmoom. When Ghain comes between a word, its shape is like this. Earlier word is joined here, and later word is, and and the letter which comes later is joined here. Meme is joined here, and another meme is joined here, because ghain comes between two memes. This is meme and this is meme. So earlier one is joined here, and later one is joined here. Maghmoom. Meme, ghain, meme, waw, meme. Maghmoom. Maghmoom. And Mr. Singh also wants to know what is the shape of swad and zwat when these letters come between a word. So, here is the word musibat. 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 This is swad. This is swad. This is meme, this is swad, and then this is waw. Ye. This is the shape of swad when it comes between a word. First letter is joined here, and the letter after swad is joined here. Musibat. Meme. Meme is joined here, and ye is joined here. Musibat. 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 Let's take another example. Nasihat. 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 This is swad. Noon is joined here, and ye is joined here. Nasihat. And when zwat comes between a word, it is like this. Mazmoon. This is zwat. Zwat. Mazmoon. Zwat. When zwat comes between a word, its shape is like this. Earlier letter is joined here, and the letter which comes after is joined here. This is zwat, and this is meme, and this is noon. Mazmoon. Mazmoon. Let's take another example. Muztarib. Muztarib. This is zwat. It is joined to meme here, and joined to toy here. Meme and toy. Zwat is between these two letters. Muztarib. 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 Muztarib.